Hello everyone, my name is Kevin from the Philippines, and for today's vlog, we'll be talking with the strangers here in the United Arab Emirates. Yeah, samahan niyo ako. Kita po tayo mga bata dito. Yeah, magsisimula na tayo. Hanap tayo ngayon na makakausap. Hello. Wala akong makikita. Ngayon kasi dito makipag-usap kasi lalo ng mga babae dapat ano ka talaga, huwag ka talagang dumikit sa kanila kasi bawal. Haram yan dito. Ayan. Magkikipag-usap na tayo ngayon. Nahihiya ako. Excuse me, brother. Say hello to my vlog. What is your good name? Huh?
Johnny.
Johnny. Nice to meet you, Johnny. I'm Kevin from the Philippines. Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Oh, nice to meet you, brother. You work here? You work here? Which company? Huh?
GS.
Oh, you're a driver. Oh, that's perfect. And where are you living here? Here, not here in Alkay. No. Parking only car, huh?
18 parking number 18.
Okay. I see. You are long here? You are long here? How long are you here? How many years? How much years?
3 years.
3 years only. Oh, nice, huh? Me just new here. I am,
You have
yeah, I'm new here. Like 8 months.
8 months.
Yes. 8 months, almost 9 months like that. I came here last July.
Where live? Where you live?
Just here. Just here in
Live
Alkay.
in Alpin?
Yes.
Where?
Just here only, in this side. This side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ang success, nakikipag-usap na tayo. Tiyak sa kamay ako. Pero kung marunong ako mag-Bisaya, marunong ako mag-Tagalog. At kaunting English lang. English dito talaga, ganun naman talaga. Hindi naman talaga dapat perfect. Yung sakto lang. Yung makikipag-usap ka lang ng yung ano. Yung, for example, do you have pen? Yeah. Do you have pen? Like that. Yung sagot naman niya. Kung wala, no have yung sagot na. No have pen. Kung meron, have. Ganun lang kasimple yung buhay dito. Ganun talaga mahihirapan mag-English. Normally, ganun yung mga sagot. So, yan, maghahanap na naman tayo ng makakausap. Hindi naman. Ganito pala mag-vlog. Sige. Panindigan natin. Init-init sa labas. Wait muna. Lakad-lakad lang muna saglit. So, ano yung lightings ko dito? Ito, kabayan yata to. Kabayan? Hi po. Hi po kayo.
Hi po.
Hello vlog. Akala ko ibang akala ko ni Pali ka ko. Matagal ka na dito?
Opo.
Mga ilang taon na?
Mga dito?
Oh.
Sa Alkay?
Dubai.
Sa Dubai? Mga ano ba ako eh? 2008.
Ang tagal na pa. More than 10 years na din, no?
More than 10 years.
Sana all. Mga 7 like ganun ba. So, ayun. Ano kasi naghahanap ako na makakausap na yung ibang lahi. Kasi yung nila, paano makikipag-usap dito. Buhay, oo. Kasi yung English nga natin doon sa Pilipinas, iba. Tala dito, iba naman yung pakipag-usap natin. So, ayun. Si Kuya nga pala, ang pangalan mo, Kuya?
Sherwin po.
Sherwin. Ako nga pala si Kevin.
Sige po.
Nice to meet
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you po. Tapos dito, hindi naman talaga kailangan na perfect ka magsalita. Yung sakto lang. Yung dapat lang maintindihan. Yun lang. Dapat yung English mo dito, simple lang dapat. Simplihan mo. Kung ano yung pinakasimple, yun yung gawin mo. Tapos bawal dito yung mga yung maganin ka, tama ng salita, mali yun. Hindi sabihin wait. Ang ibig sabihin nun parang nagpa-fuck you pa ganun. Samantala dito, ganyan dapat. Means wait. Yun, mainit na talaga. Sobrang mainit dito sa Dubai. Ano ba yan? Alam mo, magtitinda dito ng yelo. Sobrang init. Wait, hanap ulit tayo. Sana makakausap naman ako ibang lahi. Mahirap dito maghanap ng makakausap. Nakakahiya kasi magpag-usap talaga kapag hindi mo kilala. Wait. Wait, nahiya ako. Saan ba ako? Saan ba ako dapat pumesto? Tayo.
问他们蓝天平着分开的。
Hi brother, where are you from? Sri Lanka. Oh, by the way, I'm Kevin from the Philippines. Say hello to my vlog. How long have you been here in the UAE?
Sorry?
How long? How much years?
3 years.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just 8 months here.
8 months?
Yeah. Yes.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, and I don't. I have, but I think it will be my first vlog. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be my first vlog.
Oh, okay.
Your good name?
Champ.
Sam.
Yeah.
I'm Kevin. Yeah.
You're from?
Philippines. Yeah. Nice to meet you. What is your job, brother? What is your job?
Not Japan, I am business.
You're a businessman.
Oh yeah, import to Sri Lanka.
Importing products
Yeah, Sri Lanka.
from here to Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
And also from Sri Lanka to here. Like that, no?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Importing,
Import.
exporting. Let's see, right? You've been living here?
Okay.
Here in Atalgate.
Yeah. That's it.
And
This one.
the back side.
Yeah. This one side.
The face one. I'm just living here. At this building house. Ito ba yung building now?
What your job? What you're working?
I am working as service advisor at Seven Silenders. What brother?
This area too much Philippine have
Yes.
people.
Yeah, too much Filipinos out here. Working also, working in day, sleeping at night, only 4 hours sleeping, It's very hard, brother. And it's very hard to work in the morning. In the evening, you're gonna have to sleep like for 4 hours. So now you only work at home. You work from home.
No, yeah. My wife work from home. My wife chartered account.
Chatting online
Yeah, online.
with your clients.
You have Facebook?
I do have, but I don't use Facebook.
You're not Facebook account you have?
I have, but I don't use too much Facebook. Only Instagram.
What your Instagram
You
name?
have Instagram?
No. I know.
I also have YouTube.
Hmm.
YouTube. Kevin Machet.
Uh,
You can search me on YouTube. Actually, yung English dito, hindi naman talaga dapat perfect ka. yung ano lang, parang eme-eme lang, yung hindi naman siya eme-eme, pero dapat yung hindi mo dapat tawag doon, may term yan. Yung dapat yung English mo isakto lang. Yung hindi sa masyadong magaling, hindi din sa masyadong mahirap maintindihan. Yung sakto lang talaga. So, ngayon na nahiya tayo makipag-usap. Next time ulit. Bye-bye!